lecture has not been started. Okay, so I will share my Jupyter notebook to show you in a simplified way. So, this is what one program we are handling the data set and finding out applying the various numbers for your group by function, and we can making the group of that particular thing. Okay, so we will have this is one just import Seaborn library just for not import means we are just loading the data set. So planets is one data set and the data set's shape is 1035 records and 6 columns. So when I want this planet head, because I will create the number and I'm again run this program, and you can mention the number also. Okay, so that planet head contains various numbers and various columns. So this will be having method, number, orbital period, mass, distance, and year. This is what the a particular planet related information we are having, and here we are having certain missing value. So we can find out the missing value. Suppose I want to add one planet. Sorry. Okay, planets. Each null dot each sum. Let us see. So look how many missing values in this particular table. Only we are having 1000 records. So orbiter periods having 43 missing values, mass having 522 missing value, and distance is missing 227 missing value. This way I know how the my missing values will be. Okay, so for your जहाँ जहाँ पे missing है, that will be the this is what called as a representation of missing value. Now, in import NumPy and Pandas, I have imported these two libraries. These all functions comes under your group by. Now, this is what the just created one object and we can having the random state. Now, you will be asking what is this random state? Now, random state expose a number of method for generating number of random numbers drawn from the variable probability distribution. Means it's just like a probability distribution generating the random state, so that it sure ensure generated what we can say random permutations we can generate it as a in case of your probability distribution. So that's why we can take another 42. Then we can having just one random pandas series we can generating with the help of random generation function. So that's why we are written and we are just printing this series as a that particular object. So I have just execute this. I'm sorry. So this way, this series has been generated randomly with the probability distributions number. Okay. Then suppose I want to sum up this series, so I can just write series sum. Okay. So that will be the sum will generated. Suppose I want the num or mean of this, so that mean of this particular series has been generated. Okay. Suppose I want to take two records. Okay, these two records. Okay, so that two records is basically we can having range and your random and with different functions. So the same way we can generate this records. Okay, this is what the planets object है. Basically I have taken 2-3 database. I have not continued with database. That's my fault. I accept it. So this is what the drop any record and describe. Now this describe function I already tell you. This gives you the count of how many, what is the count of that number column, count of orbital period, count of mass column, distance column, year column, मीन क्या है हर एक कॉलम का, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन क्या है, मिनिमम नंबर उसमें क्या है, उसका 25% अप्लाई किया तो व्हाट दैट पर्टिकुलर, 50% अप्लाई किया तो व्हाट इज दैट, if we can having the 75%, that is the what we can say 50 and plus 25, that quartile, that how it will be applying the column of that 75%, apply that, then make maximum number. So this description we can get with the help of this describe commands. Means that is what we can grouping or we can finding out these things. Okay, suppose I got the mean and we can see the missing value. Suppose orbital period 43 missing value है और orbital period का क्या है, हम मीन देखते हैं तो उसका मीन क्या है 83.35, उसमें मिनिमम क्या है 1.3. तो वी जस्ट लुक इनटू वैल्यूज. ऑर्बिटल पीरियड में आप वैल्यूज देखो क्या है 266, 874, 70. तो इसी रेंज में अगर वैल्यू है तो वी कैन फिट द मीन एज द मिसिंग वैल्यू प्रोबेबली. So we can fit and whether we see what we prediction we can use, or we can apply the 25% quartile result, or we can get the maximum value to put each and every missing value. So that's way we can find these things are required. आप बोलोगे कि मैम ऐसे तो, but 1000 record में आप खुद ही बताओगे मुझे कि ये ऐसा पॉसिबल है नहीं पॉसिबल है. So that will be also called as a, that will be also one of the thing. But when we are having the lakhs record, at that time these things are very much important. Okay, then we can, while we are writing the group by, this is what the group by method, and here just data frame object as a, you are just giving that functions importance. Okay, that we are group by method we can passing the object. Okay, here we can having the group by record. अभी यहाँ पे group by record planet group by command, जो ग्रुपिज्म बोलते हैं कि group by record the students who are greater than 10 pointer. The same way we can having the method, we can having orbital period column I have taken and I have taken the median. Those we can having the median का ये related value है that we can giving with the help of उनका ही group बनेगा. So what my median is? My median is basically we can having, यहाँ पे median नहीं आया है, but it will be we can calculate the median also. Okay, so that way we can calculate the median and we can print the only that value which we are relate near to median, and that's what this method is. Basically we can having your radial velocity, as well as there are other velocity methods are also there. So that will be finding out the method which are having the different median in that particular different method. मतलब मैंने ऐसा ग्रुप बनाया है कि हर एक मेथड का ऑर्बिटल पीरियड और उसमें जो मीडियन, अभी मीडियन क्या होता है कौन बताएगा मुझे, व्हाट इज द मीडियन, एनीवन, मीडियन, मीडियन स्टैटिस्टिक में हुआ है आपको मीडियन नो वन, किसी को भी पता नहीं है मीडियन क्या होता है.
It is the center value of a given data.
सेंटर ऑफ गिवन डेटा, मीडियन को सेंटर कब से बोलने लगे हैं? एनी अदर आंसर?
मिडिल में जो वैल्यू आता है वही रहता है ना.
नहीं, मीडियन का क्या मतलब है बताओ. मीडियन बताओ. मिडल नंबर्स वी कैन फाइंडिंग आउट. ओके, और हाँ सॉरी, ऑड नंबर है तो क्या होता है मीडियन का, और इवन नंबर होता है तो क्या फॉर्मूला होता है मीडियन का? मीडियन का मोड को रिपीटेशन बोलते हैं। हाँ बताओ। मीडियन, मीडियन में इवन नंबर ऑड नंबर हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं?
इवेंट्स है
मीडियन,
और into n by 2 से कैलकुलेट करते हैं इवेंट।
करेक्ट करेक्ट, ओके, बराबर है। तो दैट्स वे वी कैन फाइंडिंग आउट द मीडियन ऑफ particular given data, and this way we can finding out the records of this median value of each every method we can find out। मतलब यहाँ पे कौन सा ग्रुप बनाया है बताओ मुझे। ये कमांड एग्जीक्यूट करने के बाद आपको क्या लग रहा है कि इसमें क्या ग्रुप बना के किसका मीडियन आया है बताओ। व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग कि इसमें क्या वेरीफायर किया है? कौन सा ग्रुप बनाया है? आपको दिख कुछ नहीं रहा है क्या? हम्म, अरे कुछ भी नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है क्या?
मैम प्लैनेट्स का ग्रुप बनाया है।
प्लैनेट्स का ग्रुप, प्लैनेट्स का एक डेटाबेस है, उसमें मेथड्स है जो प्लैनेट की है, जिसमें एस्ट्रोमेट्री, इक्लिप्स, टाइमिंग वेरिएशन, इमेजिंग, ये डेटा है। उसमें हम ऑर्बिटल पीरियड का क्या निकाल रहे हैं? मीडियन निकाल रहे हैं। सपोज आई वांट टू चेंज द ऑर्बिटल पीरियड, मेथड ऑफ ऑर्बिटल पीरियड की जगह हम मास लिखेंगे। ओके, सपोज आई वांट टू चेंज दिस, और आई विल कॉपी दिस सेम and control C, I will insert new row, and I just type and I just change my column name। ऑर्बिटल पीरियड की जगह में क्या कौन सा कॉलम है? मास। ओके, सो तो इसमें क्या क्या आया है मुझे बताओ। मीडियन किया है तो ये क्या है? बिकॉज दीज रिकॉर्ड्स आर मिसिंग वैल्यूज। ओके, सपोज आई वांट टू चेक मास, अगर छोड़ो डिस्टेंस देखते हैं हम। नेक्स्ट कॉलम क्या है मेरा? distance। I will just group of different methods and what is the median of that distance। So this is what my median। My median change करके I can calculate the mean of each and every column also। Okay, let us see what happened। Okay, so this is what mean has been come up। मतलब मैंने ग्रुप का ये जो मेथड है ऑर्बिटल पीरियड का, उसका मीन निकाला। आई कैन फाइंडिंग आउट द मीन ऑफ, सेपरेट आउट द वैल्यू, एंड आई कैन फाइंडिंग आउट दैट पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्ड। एंड सपोज मैंने ये अवॉइड किया, तो लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंड। इट विल जस्ट सेंड यू दैट मेथड, एंड दिस इज व्हाट माय column we can finding out the list of this orbital period। This is what my method as a column, group with having method as one column and orbital as one column। now अभी यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे we can having the for loop I have just taken, and here we can having method and group in the planets, group by method। तो हमें एक मेथड लिया है, उस मेथड से we can print out the shape of one जीरो प्रिंट, मतलब 0 to 30 वी कैन स्पेसिफाई द रेंज। एंड फॉर्मेट मतलब हमने जो मेथड का नाम है, एंड ग्रुप ऑफ योर शेप बेसिकली। सो इट विल बी प्रिंट वॉट एवर द मेथड्स वी आर हैविंग, और उसमें बेसिकली वी आर स्प्लिटेड फ्रॉम 0 to 30। सो इट विल बी what we can say, it will be just printing out shape and what shape of each and every method which we are going to be passing। So this is what the format method in Python, basically you can write to insert the string or to print any string value given। So that will be a format method, specified value insert into string placeholder। that's what this format is used। और ये format हमेशा स्ट्रिंग रिटर्न करता है, and it will be we can returns the string, and it will be just printing out your what we can say shape of that particular column ki astro में कितना shape है, that we can having method and it having the shape group shape basically in between 1k that conditions we are passing. So print ऐसी ही value करना है कि that we can having shape is equal to 1 and we can having between 0 to colon that we can mapping at that record. So this way we can having only column as your 6, but we can take a different value as your for different methods. So this way you can pass the what we can say query to particular database. मतलब अगर मुझे डेटा चाहिए और we have to retrieve certain data, जैसे मैंने pivot table आपको बताया था कि from bigger table to we want to extract the certain small table for the analysis of data. At that time, the same way we can use the pivot command. This is another version of this we can call as a pivot, that we can just want a certain group of records, and only on that group of record we want to do certain analysis. Like suppose every time I'm giving you the example of COVID vaccination. So in that COVID vaccination, we have to just find out 18 to 45 age में how many people are taken one dose or how many people are fully vaccinated. So that only record I have to be taken from the COVID whole large database. तो मुझे पूरे डेटाबेस की जरूरत ही नहीं. I just have to group the data about between 18 to 45, and from that I will apply the condition with the first dose or with the second dose. This way that group by or that particular function gets works. This same query we can apply in database also with the help of SQL. That select star, select from and where. These three statements are used in SQL. So select हमें क्या करना है कि हमें select ऐसा column करना है कि that we can select the column where COVID vaccination database, where from select from that database name from COVID vaccination database, and where my conditions will be 18 to 45 age record greater than 18 to 45 age record, where my single dose, only single dose record और fully vaccinated people. So जो बचेंगे वो मेरे single vaccinated होंगे और जो बचे होंगे that will be my fully vaccinated. So this way the analysis should be done, because every time you should not be required the whole data set. We should require the some part of data set, and from that data set we should be conclude certain things. Okay. Now in the we can having in your group by, there is a two methods, stack and unstack. I have not written the code of stacks. Wait for 2 minutes. I have the stack code. So stacking and unstacking. Okay, this is important point in case of your Python. So stack और unstack में ये pandas के दो functions हैं. Okay, and these are same as your reshaping and shaping of your data. So stack और unstack का कोड रन करने के बाद आप ही मुझे बता सकोगे कि ये क्या होता है. Okay, so wait for a minute. We have a stack functions.
Of the address of the X register along with the register and the segment address. Always remember segment address base register का ही आप पकड़ोगे. So BX का segment register is the segment register में जाकर के आप segment address में उस location पे जाकर के data into base register. So this is the first example. Second example.
Stack. Wait.
As I plus bx. Can you do this?
It's again.
Because पहले base ही आएगा, उसके बाद आपका
बेटा 1-2 मिनट stack का. I have been ready with stack function. Stacking and unstacking.
always remember.
Stacking and unstacking, it is used to represent your innermost column, and unstacking is opposite process to your stack element. Okay, so in the case of stacking and unstacking, we should be just data in a we can innermost column can be printed. Okay, Like, I will explain you the example. Okay. Now, AB. Okay, wait. अभी आप मुझे बताओ ये 0th रो को कौन से रिकॉर्ड स्टोर है? What are the records stored at 0th position? Can anyone?
default segment register is yes. SI का default segment register is yes. तो सभी किसको पकड़ेगा? There is a problem, right? In this case यहाँ पे इसका भी
Can anyone? What is the different records for your stack and unstack? Sorry, for 0th location. क्या क्या है उसमें?
तो आपको segment address मिलेगा और how the physical address is calculated. Physical address is calculated.
बोलो.
By getting the segment address plus offset address. ये offset address.
अरे क्या होता है बताओ ना, ये इसमें क्या कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है क्या आपको?
इस लोकेशन पे
0th लोकेशन को क्या है?
That is the second.
बोलो 0th लोकेशन को क्या है?
So what is
फर्स्ट पीरियड दिया था नंबर ऐसे डिस्टेंस ईयर दिए थे 2000.
Okay, so this is what the basically thing of your stacking and unstacking of data. अभी यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिख रहा है बताओ मुझे. मैंने लास्ट टाइम में आपको एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाया था, उसमें स्टैक अनस्टैक था. जो प्रेजेंटेशन, एक सेकेंड, I have that presentation.
data?
One second. Stack. I have shown you last time presentation about the stacking and unstacking. I have given you the code. I have shown you or not?
It's related.
Now this is what my stacking, stack data frame. Now I have asked you what is in that particular planet database. Now this is what one database. Here we can having the semester and semester 2. And these are the students. So what you think, what will be happen in this stack frame करने के बाद क्या हुआ है? We can having the ELISA maths and science marks with the semester. मतलब जो innermost column है that will be contained into, we can rotate it, and this will be the stack frame will be generated. Here we can having the student name as your column, subject name as your columns, where we can having the column as a sub column of your semester part, and your semester 1 and semester 2 will be changed to your main column. There we can segregate with the rows. Okay, so that Elisa in maths and science, Bobby maths and science, Catherine maths and science. So this way we can find out the marks of each and every students, and it should be separate out your data with this stack frame. So this innermost column can be rotated, and that will be generating your data. That is called as a stacking, and this is what unstacking of frame. Unstacking of frame is nothing but reverse process of your data where we can unstack your data. So these are the two pandas library function, and this is what reshaping of your data using stack function that convert into stacked format. That column is stacked as a row wise, while unstacking is the reverse process of your converting your data. So one we can same to back to your what we can say level 0 to level 1, so that we can having stacking means we can convert a stacked format, that a column is stacked as a row wise, and when we can having more than one column as a header represent, we can stack with the specified column header by particular level. But just remember for the sake convenience that it should be we can converting your stacking of data into stacked format. That column is stacked into row wise. Okay, जो आपको मैंने दिखाया था, and another is your reverse process of your data. So this we can having a just example, and here we can having this function as your stacking of your data. Okay, so we'll just I just found the code. We will just run it. Right.
That here.
Why this index is showing? Wait a minute. Understood until this what we have learned?
As the name is called as base related plus index.
Understood or not?
Okay. Lastly is the final one, which is the most simplest out of all the accuracy. Okay. Final one is something called as
This is what just one record I have taken, and just we have to show stack underscore df is equal to my data frame dot stack function as it is likha. Sorry, stack will be this stack. Okay, so I will run this. नहीं कुछ हुआ. Why it should not be happen? So this is what just one data frame header taken. We can having the returning multi-index from product, that we can having semester 1 and semester 2, and we can just taken and printed this data sets. Okay, so we can okay, I have not printed the data, so I have to print stack underscore df. So this way we can write your stack functions. This is what my original data frame, and this is what my stacking data frame. Okay, then suppose unstack लिखना है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? I will just write the function as a my unstack. Okay, unstack df is equal to data frame object unstack my command, and I have to write unstack df. Okay, so this way we can generate your unstacking of data, how my innermost column and how my what I can say column gets changed and row gets changed. Okay, so have you understood the difference between stacking and unstacking? Have you understood? Have you understood or not? अरे कुछ तो बोलो. कुछ तो बोलो. Okay. Why you are not speaking? Why you are just showing the thumbs up? You have to unmute and say na. Now this is what one more data frame just created keys, and we can having the range, and this is what just range from 0 to 6 it should be taken, and we are just passing these keys. So एक just simple data frame लिया है, and we have learned the aggregate function. So aggregate function क्या करता है, एक single value return करता है. So we are just returning this data 1, data 2, and we are taking the range from 0 to 10, and 6 नंबर से मुझे लेने हैं. ओके, तो दिस रेंज इंटीजर 0 to 10 चाहिए. 0 to 10 में से कोई भी नंबर चाहिए, बट ओनली 6 नंबर चूज करने. सो इट विल बी चेंज. दिस इज व्हाट व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग दिस एग्रीगेट, जो बोला एग्रीगेट रिटर्न्स अ सिंगल वैल्यू. सो एग्रीगेट जब भी हम लिखते हैं, आई वांट द मिनिमम, I want the median functions, and I want the maximum number about the rows. So it will be showing you this way. Why it should be changed? Because here random function, or random function हमेशा randomly value generate करता है. Suppose I want to taken the column as your key, and I want to generate the aggregate about the data 1 and data 2 minimum and maximum. So it will be just generating me minimum maximum. Why it should be taken. So this will be my minimum and maximum about this column about the aggregate function. Okay, so this way we can having aggregate function also gets works for generating your sum, product, mean, median, mode, or whenever I want the group by function, I can group by the things with the help of this mean, median, sum, mode. But group by me every time it's not necessary that I should be take the every time group by functions. I can take the only group by functions, and I can group by values and passing one certain condition greater than or equal to. Okay, understood? कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो पूछो. हाँ, this data is I have taken from the internet. ये stack and second का data मैंने internet से लिया है. This is what the small data I have taken, but you can take as a data set. Whole data set लेके stacking and unstacking करके you can just. Okay. Have you understood or not? Yes or no? Any? Okay. Okay. तो इसमें क्या क्या सिखाया मैंने, कौन से फंक्शन सिखाए? अभिषेक मिश्रा. इसमें थ्योरी एक्सेस पार्ट कुछ नहीं है. मतलब ग्रुप बाय मतलब क्या है, तो ग्रुपिंग ऑफ योर डेटा. एग्रीगेट मतलब जस्ट राइट द डेफिनेशन दैट इट विल बी गिव यू रिजल्ट एज अ सिंगल वैल्यू. एंड एग्रीगेट फंक्शन के डिफरेंट फंक्शंस क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, तो मीन, मीडियन, मोड, योर प्रोडक्ट, सम, that we can use with the help of aggregate function. And stacking means we can represent the innermost column into rows, and in unstack it's a reverse process to unstacking. These are the two things which we are having grouped by data aggregation and data transformation. Okay, Aniket, power cut. Okay, Shobhan, what I have told you?
ग्रुप बाय फंक्शंस,
हाँ.
मीडियन वगैरह देखा था.
ओके, मीडियन देखो, आपको ये फंक्शंस अभी आपको मीन, मोड, मीडियन तो आपको पता है. ग्रुप बाय में हम ग्रुप करेंगे मतलब क्या, जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया कि मुझे ग्रुप चाहिए कि एक दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर द, अभी आपने जो SUC का इलेक्शन हुआ, I have the data of Excel sheet, but only I want the person who are giving first preferences for the GS position, the preferences for cultural secretary. This way I can make the group of that people, only those who are interested given the first preference. I don't consider the second preference. So वो होता है group. Okay, group of people who are wearing green shirt, group of people who are wearing blue shirt. The same way with group of people who are having different color code, we can just segregate in a such a way. That will be the group. Okay. In aggregate function, we can want the one single value, and that one single value is nothing but minimum number, maximum number, mean of your column, mode of your column, median of your column, product of your column and sum of your column. That will be give you a single value of your aggregate function. Okay. Amisha Gupta, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Any other query? Anish Jaiswal?
तो अगर वो जो
आर्यन श्रीवास्तवा?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके. तो समझ में आया? कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो पूछो, आई विल डेफिनेटली रिपीट. ओके. बट कैसे हुआ जो प्रोग्राम है वो, हाँ वो सीक्वेंस में मुझे करना चाहिए था, बट जस्ट आई एम रनिंग यस्टरडे फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस फाइल, तो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया है मुझसे. वो प्लैनेट का ही डेटा मैंने आई हैव टू कंटिन्यू, बट समहाउ आई कैन नॉट बी कंटिन्यू दैट डेटा. बट एक डेटा कंटिन्यू करके भी यू जस्ट हैव इट. आई हैव वन मोर डेटा विथ माई, दैट जो हमने लास्ट टाइम वेदर का डेटा देखा था, वो डेटा कंटिन्यू करके भी आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड वन फाइल that I am going to share with you. So today we will just I'm not taking attendance right now. I will take whole attendance at the time of practical. Okay. और lecture का भी attendance उसमें लगने वाला है और आपका practical का भी attendance में simultaneously लगा. Okay. So I will check. तो अभी मैं attendance नहीं लेने वाली हूँ. Okay. Understood?
So you need to give this explanation. और एक तरीका है कि आपको कुछ.
ओके मैम.
हाँ. तो मैं उसी वक्त पहले प्रैक्टिकल सिखाऊंगी, उसके बाद ही मैं आपका अटेंडेंस लूंगी फुल एंड फाइनल. और वो लेक्चर मैं उस वक्त लेक्चर का भी अटेंडेंस लगाऊंगी एंड सेम अटेंडेंस आई विल कॉपी पेस्ट इन प्रैक्टिकल आल्सो. ओके. सो बिकॉज आई हैव प्रैक्टिकल, तो आप क्या कर, सम पीपल आर अटेंडिंग लेक्चर, सम पीपल आर नॉट अटेंडिंग प्रैक्टिकल, दे वर जस्ट डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज. ओके. पुणे पीपल हैव यू फील्ड द शीट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट? हाँ.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम वही वो प्रोजेक्ट का आप अगर आज प्रैक्टिकल में थोड़ा और एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे तो मैम अच्छा होगा.
चलेगा ना, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. आपकी क्वेरीज पहले सॉल्व करेंगे फिर. हाँ.
ऑलमोस्ट मतलब मुंबई कैंपस से तो ऑलमोस्ट सबने टॉपिक चूज कर लिया है, बट आगे करना क्या है वो सबको डाउट था मैम.
Okay, okay. Pune campus, you are not mentioned. You are just mentioned your group. You are not mentioned your topic. आगे क्या करना है मैं आपको, आपका एक्सेल शीट ओपन करते हैं और उसमें क्या करना है मैं आपको बताने हूँ. मतलब आप इनिशियल स्टेजेस चालू करोगे. ओके.
यस मैम.
ओके. सो नो वरीज, मैं आपको प्रोजेक्ट का पहले सिखाऊंगी प्रैक्टिकल में, फिर हम प्रैक्टिकल लेते हैं. और वैसे भी हमारे प्रैक्टिकल ऑलमोस्ट अभी तक जो पढ़ाया है उसके हो गए हैं एंड वी हैव 2 प्रैक्टिकल्स इन अ वीक. So we have too much time to discuss. So we will discuss on project only. We will solve your all the doubts और देखते हैं. Okay? And you be ready with your doubts so I can solve it. आपके जो भी doubts है, जो भी पूछना है, सब ready रखो. At the time of practical, we will solve your all the doubts. Understood? Yes or no? अरे कुछ तो बोलो. कैसे बच्चे हैं, फटाफट जवाब आना चाहिए. Either you are listening all things or either you are just log on to system and just marking your attendance because your cameras are not on. Okay? वो स्कूल के बच्चों को कैसे मिस बोलती है, उनके कैमराज ऑन रख के ही आपको सामने बैठा है, वैसा करना चाहिए आपको. Then you will be definitely going to answer all those things. Okay. So today's lecture, what we have seen, group by, aggregate, stacking and unstacking. That is data aggregation, data group by functions and your data transformation, data reshaping basically it's called as. And Pune student, you got the syllabus? Pune students.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the syllabus properly?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the what syllabus. Now we are just finished the group by mechanics, data aggregation. Now we are having group wise transformation. Pivot table हमारा हो गया है, फिर भी एक बार अगर आप चाहोगे तो I will repeat. Then we will move to our cross tabulation time series. ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है. This is what the most challenging topic we are. Because अगर आपको ये सब कुछ समझ में आए हैं, then we will start this time series basics and data range and frequency and shifting, and then we are having these statistic parts. Okay, ये सब Python के अंडर pandas framework, numpy and your what we can say matplotlib seaborn. Okay, ये है. Okay, so last we have seen the seaborn practical we are done. Now we are left with file handling हो गया है, basic data structures हो गए. We are just having this introduction to data set handling in Python. तो ये data set handle करने का पहले हम प्रोजेक्ट के डाउट सॉल्व करेंगे and then we will move this. Okay. Okay, students, that's all for today. We will meet at the time of practical on the same day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
तो x कॉमा ऐसा ये भी एक एड्रेस है मेमोरी का, इसके अंदर भी एड्रेस है मेमोरी का. मेमोरी की मेमोरी आउटसाइड